In this tutorial, I'll show you how to resolve login issues in the ChatGPT app. Following these steps should help you access your account without problems. First, ensure that your internet connection is stable. Slow Wi-Fi or mobile data can prevent you from logging into the app. If needed, switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if it improves connectivity. Next, make sure the ChatGPT app is updated. Open your App Store, search for ChatGPT, and if an update is available, install it. Outdated versions may cause login problems. If the problem persists, clearing the app's cache can help. On Android, press and hold the app icon, tap the information icon, then select Clear Cache or Clear Data. Confirm the action to reset temporary files. After clearing cache, restart your device. Hold the power button, select Restart, and turn your device back on. This ensures all changes take effect and may resolve lingering issues. If you still cannot log in, the issue may be with ChatGPT servers. High traffic or maintenance can temporarily prevent login. In such cases, waiting a few minutes or hours often resolves the problem. By checking your connection, updating the app, clearing cache, and restarting your device, most login issues can be resolved quickly. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more tutorials.